Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a California learner's permit as a teen driver. So this can seem confusing at first, but once you know the steps, it becomes much easier to follow. So to qualify, you need to be at least 15 and a half years old and under 18. And before you apply for your permit, you also need to finish a California's driver's education course. You must complete all 10 levels first, and after that, you'll need to receive the certificate you need to move forward. So once that part is done, the next step is driver training. You need at least 6 hours of behind the wheel training with a professional driving instructor. If your driver's ed is online, you'll need to sign up with a local driving school to complete that required training. And when you go to the DMV, make sure you bring the needed paperwork. This includes a completed California driver's license or ID application signed by a parent or guardian, your original or certified birth certificate, a valid passport or residency card, your social security number, proof of California residency, the $33 application fee, and proof that you finish driver's education like the certificate or the pink DL400C form, or proof that you're currently enrolled. So at the DMV, you'll pay the fee, take a vision test, get your fingerprints done, and have your photo taken. So after that, you'll take the knowledge test. You can't miss more than 8 questions, and if you don't pass, you can take it again after 1 week. So after you get your instructions permit, keep in mind that it is not valid until you begin your driver training. So during practice, you must drive with a licensed parent, guardian, or certified driving instructor, and you cannot drive by yourself, including going alone to the DMV for your driving tests. That's it. Once you have your permit, you can begin your behind the wheel lessons and with a local driving school and start building your driving skills. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.